walking around with your...
Let's do that.
Say like you're in like a wrestling match and you guys are like locked up a little bit and you're trying to push them, correct? So you're trying to get as much force so that it gives, there's no give in there when you're getting any shot. For the zero, it's not too bad, but it's when you're rifling off crescent moon type shit. So if you're not like in control of it, your rounds are gonna start like getting longer apart. All you're gonna do is you're gonna grab another round. You can put it back in. You want to keep your body position as much as possible. It's gonna be in there. It's gonna be like. I'm saying every night on TV on too. So. You gotta remember that. Your body position is good. You might
Put your weight onto it. Come on. Put your weight onto it. There you go. It's a lot more stable.
Instead of like pushing over here, because that like throws me off.
Like when you get down, you get on it. You're down the side.
Yeah.
On the left side.
You got a good group.
Tombstone. Hit it again. Hit it again. All right, 2 and 3. All right, round. Couple better. Good job, man. Good job.
Fire, cease fire, cease fire. At this time, lock and clear all weapons.
Oh, you have 20. 7 to 8.
For that first performance,
I know we're
Yeah, but look at Bravo. You're not allowed to talk, DR.
Bravo 2 is the standard. You know what? Give me that shirt. Give me that shirt.
Disassembly. This must be done in sequence. Alright. Move the safety switch to the fire position, which is already there. Charge the machine gun palm up and return the charging handle to the forward position. Move the safety lever switch to the safe position. Open the cover and check the feed pawl assembly. Remove any ammunition. Raise the feed tray. Look into the chamber. Lower the feed tray. Close the cover. Move the safety switch to the fire position. Pull the charging handle to the rear palm up. Hold the trigger handle. Depress the trigger and ease the bolt forward.
Hold her up. 1.
Gate. There's two up there. You see them?
On the right side?
Yeah. On the left side. On the left side. Yeah. See? Where you were shooting the first time. Shoot.
Okay.
One is down too.
On the right side.
On the right side, two of them up.
Yep.
A little bit down.